Welcome to my training video. In this video, I'm going to talk about a program, a system that is changing people's lives. That's right. In this video, I'm going to go through exactly what you're going to get when you activate this program. And if you are really interested and serious in making real Clickbank commissions and going up to $10,000 a month in affiliate commissions with different affiliate networks, and ready to crush it online, then in this video, keep watching this video because I'm going to show you a program that is changing lives, that is going to help you build a real internet business and make you up to $10,000 plus a month online. Now, before I dive into this video, if you're watching my video for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. You should see the subscribe button anywhere on this page. It could be below this video, could be on the right hand side, left hand side. Just click that click that subscribe button. It might be red, it might be black, whatever the color is. Just smash the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, share this video, and if you have questions, leave a comment for me. I'm here to help you. I want to see you make real money online. I have helped thousands of people from all over the world make real money online. So if you have been struggling to make real Clickbank commissions and you are sick and tired from jumping from one product to another product to another product to another product and seeing those big fat zeros in your Clickbank account, you are sick and tired with all the garbage and BS out there, then today is the time, today is the opportunity where you can change your life permanently and finally crack the code. That's right. All the links are going to be in the description box below this video. And when you go and click that link, or you head over to this website address here that you're seeing on this page, you're going to come to a page just like this. All right. Now, before I walk you through about this program, let me show you the Facebook group. When you join this program, you're going to come to this Facebook group as well, and you're going to get to ask live questions, and they're here to help you. They're here to show you what's working right now. All right, you're going to see all type of results. Check this out. This person has just made a sale 3 days ago. Okay, and then the same person again 3 days ago. Clickbank sales, check this out. These are Clickbank sales. This person just got started and has started to generate Clickbank sales. $245 a week, $340 a week. All right, and if I keep scrolling down, you're gonna see some more people with real results. So this guy, okay, you can see here he's just made a sale, Clickbank sale. By the way, this is the new Clickbank dashboard. All right, and let's just keep scrolling down. So when you join, you're going to get to join this group and start asking real questions. And look at this person. This person's just made a sale of $240 plus in commissions. Okay, and this works with Clickbank, this works with other affiliate networks as well. All right, so let's just go through the page. So when you do come and click the link in the description box, you're going to come to this page and you're going to watch this video. Look at this. This is latest. Okay, this is this year 2022 real results. People are posting real results. Okay, watch the video. If you want to learn more about this, then you could watch other videos, go through the testimonials. Look at this person. Yeah, U1688 Clickbank account, over $2,000 in a week. All right, this person, he's showing one of the affiliate network dashboard as well. He made $401 in revenue. And then you could keep scrolling down and you can see, and then you can see what you're exactly going to get. In fact, you get so much goodies, and I highly recommend this program. It's one of the best programs out there if you're really interested in learning how to make real affiliate commissions with Clickbank. Okay, and look at the bonuses you're going to get. One of the bonuses you're going to get is a one-on-one private coaching session. Okay, and then for 2-for-1 Super Affiliate Sniper members access. This is a very good program. Okay, now I'm just going to walk you through. Now if you're interested and you want to, just click the link in the description box below this video. All right, or if you can't find the link, you can head over to this website address here. Okay, and then you just click on this green button and activate this program. While I'm recording this video, this program is still available. All right, for future, no guarantee. I don't have any guarantee. I can't guarantee anything about future. There's no guarantee about future. Okay, but right now, while I'm recording this video, this program is still available, so you have an opportunity to finally crack the code and change your life permanently. So let me just walk you through the members area. I'm part of this program. I've bought this program myself. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the members area and show you what you're going to get. Okay, so when you join this program, you're going to see the members area just like this. Okay, so we start off with module 1, and you can see, look at this, all these videos. Okay, and then you go to module 2. All right, in module 2 you're going to get all this. Okay, then you go to module 3. Right, setting up your first campaign. Module 4, and then module 5. Okay, module 6. In module 6 they start talking about physical products, how to promote physical products. Okay, and start making real commissions using physical products. And then guess what, they also talk about Microsoft ads. All right, how to start driving quality amounts of traffic using Microsoft ads. If you don't know what Microsoft ads is, it's Bing ads. All right, and they also talk about SEO, free traffic. How can you start getting free traffic? Okay, and then in the bonuses you get some special goodies that you're just gonna see on the sales page. All right, so question is, are you ready to finally crack the code? Do you really want to make real affiliate commissions online? Do you really want to make up to $10,000 in real affiliate commissions online? Are you ready to see $100, $200, $300, $400 days in your Clickbank account? Are you sick and tired with all the BS out there? If the answer is yes, then click the link in the description box below this video. Okay, and then watch the video, go through the page, and if you're convinced and you're happy, activate the program while it is still available. It's one of the best programs out there that is helping people change their life. All right, and once you join this program, you'll be able to join the Facebook group. You're also going to get the product calculator. It's a tool and it's a software that you will able to use to spit out the winner products that's going to give you commissions, net profitable commissions. All right, so if you're really interested, then click the link in the description box below this video. I thought I would create a quick video about this again because it is one of the best programs. It's not something like a BS or a garbage out there. Oh, this and that. No. This is real product, real system, real program that will help you change your life. If you follow the steps and take massive action, this will change your life potentially, and potentially make you a lot of money and sales in affiliate commissions. All right, so click the link in the description box below this video. If you have any question, leave a comment for me. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then do that right now. Don't wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Do it today. Do it today. Okay, and leave a comment for me, like this video, share this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any kind of suggestion, you want me to create a video, a tutorial, a training video about any specific topic in affiliate marketing or make money online, let me know, and hopefully I will look into it and see if I could get something out to you with some great value. All right, so thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video.